Alright, so what is up everyone? This is Sean. I am back again. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen again tonight. So I know last time you all liked when I did a surprise ice cream little surprise party for my wife and kids. Tonight is going to be a little something different. Tonight I am making fried king crab legs. So I made these a long time ago. It's been about like 2.5 years. I made them for Domonique and she loved them. And I always told her I was gonna make them again and I never got around to it. So as you can see, this is long overdue. All right, so enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make the king crab legs. So as you can see right here, you got the king crab legs. They've been thawing for about like an hour and a half to 2 hours. Moving on, you got your seafood batter right here. You got your butter. I am using vegetable oil. Also got your Creole seasoning. You got your beer batter seafood batter mix. I know there's a lot of different batters you can use. You got your black grinder pepper. Got some salt, got 2 eggs, got some parsley flakes. So there's a lot of different hot sauces you can use. My favorite is Texas Pete, that's what we use here. And last but not least, you gotta have your Old Bay seasoning. So if you have had fried king crab legs, comment down below what ingredients did you use to make them, how did you like them. Got some plates right here, some bowls I'm gonna do some mixtures in. And I also decided I was gonna make a salad on the side. So this is a lot of stuff that she enjoys when she eats her salad. Got your croutons, pecans, honey roasted pecans. Her favorite salad dressing is ranch. She got cheese. And we both really just started eating the crispy onions on our salad. We both like them. All right, so those are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make this fried king crab legs. All right, so let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm done cutting the crabs up. That's the worst part of all this. You know, the king crabs got like sharp points on them. Done cutting them up. As you can see, this is what they look like. So next, I'm gonna put the batter in this one right here. Mix the eggs in this one. I'm gonna put the batter in here. Put some Old Bay seasoning on these. Got the vegetable oil on them. Go ahead and turn it on. I wanna get right. Alright, so as you can see right here, I got them seasoned and I got them breaded. So now I'm going to go ahead and put them in a pot. Alright, so this right here is the finished product. You have the fried crab legs, you have the lemons on the side, and you also have the salad. Dun, dun, dun.
I'm ready for this joint. I am ready. Listen. Y'all don't know how long I've asked him to freaking cook this meal for me. I am so ready. This is the true taste of it.
That is really good.
I did?
Yeah.
It's so good. If y'all never had fried king crab, y'all need to try it. It's so good. So good. All this is not. Thank you. I tell y'all, these joints are so. They are so good. Okay? Scott, don't believe him. Don't believe him. Don't believe him.
Psych!
Don't believe him. Don't believe him, Sky. You let him get you. Some of you gonna go get some? Go, Summer, go. Go, Summer, go. Go, Summer.
Let me get something for you. Psych!
Go, Go, Sky, go, 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 go. Go, Sky, go. Go. No, no. Okay.
Oh, got it.
Oh, okay. She tricked you up. Okay, Sky.
Alright, so I am done cooking. And I can say that she liked it.
I loved it. It was good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So that was a success. Alright, so now I'm about to go work out. And Dominique can continue the vlog.
I'm gonna work out and get that money.
We've been slacking. Oh, say that again, Sky.
I'm gonna get that.
Sky, say that again. No, say that again.
That money.
I'm gonna work out and get this money.
God, where you get that from? Right? Sky said, I'm about to go work out and get this money. I know that's right. Get that bag, girl.
Yeah.
No,
I'm gonna
Summer.
work out and get this money.
What are you doing? Why? Why are you going through the trash? What's up, guys? So, y'all, like, dinner was so good, so good. I'm getting ready to cook something in a little bit, just something quick and easy so Sean can have something for lunch tomorrow. But here's the table that I was telling y'all about earlier in the vlog that I got from Home Goods. So I got this yesterday. It was $39, which I thought I was going to like paint it. I was going to spray paint it white or like a cream color, but I think I like it that color. It's the perfect size. It is kind of like flimsy. Like Summer came over here moving it around like, oh God, I don't know if this is a good idea, but I think a nice vase would be good. Is there anything that I can get to go under the bottom sort of stay tacked to the floor, like kind of like some stickers? I don't know if that's a thing or not. Y'all will let me know. But I'm thinking like a nice vase with flowers, some kind of decor on the table right there. But over here is what I got to go on the wall in my beauty room. I still need some more stuff. The dresser that I want from IKEA, they're out of stock, so I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know. It's like a cubicle thing, but I wanted to get that and get some nice stuff on top to sit on top, and then this to go behind me, especially for when I'm filming makeup tutorials, because your girl's about to get back at it filming makeup tutorials, because you guys have been asking for it and you guys enjoy it, and I enjoy doing makeup. And I just feel like Summer is one now. She's a little bit more independent. Of course, she's not fully independent, but she can like sit and play while I film and stuff. She doesn't require too much attention. I ain't even gonna say that. She still requires a lot of attention, but I can get some makeup tutorials done. Anyways, so this is going to go in the beauty room. Y'all probably saw the picture that I put up above me and Sean's bed. I don't like it right there. I initially got it for the bathroom, but then I was like, ooh, let me put it above the bed. And I'm like, I don't like it. So now I got this right here, and it was only $20. So it says Mr. and Mrs. This is everything I ever wanted. So I like that. I thought it was cute, and I like the fact that it said Mr. and Mrs. I feel like that fits the bedroom. That fits, like, this is what I need above the bed. And so I got this picture frame. I feel like we need some more pictures of us in the house. So this will probably go on one of the halls, on the walls in the hallway. Probably the hallway, like the hallway going to the girls' bedroom or something like that, or this hallway. I'm not sure. I was thinking about putting some stuff coming up the steps. I think that'll be cute as well. But probably in the next vlog, I'll be hanging this up. And I was thinking about putting this right here. I don't know. Y'all, this is one of those projects. I was just scrolling on Facebook and I saw it. And I was like, oh, I need to get this. Because I just thought it was just so cool. But I got it and I haven't done anything with it. But it kind of matches the wood right there. I don't know. But here's the furniture if you guys haven't seen it in the previous vlog. It's taking some getting used to. Let me know down below what color should we go with. I need some pillows to go on the couch. Probably gonna move this rug to my beauty room. Woo, and get a new rug for in here. on some curtains. Definitely need some pictures on the wall now. Like, it really looks so bare in here. I need some end tables. So yeah, we about to be furniture shopping and stuff and redoing stuff. So y'all gotta stay tuned. But yeah, anyways, y'all ready to get a bath, girls? You ready for bath time?
Yeah, but I really want to wear my dress.
You really want to wear your dress? Well, let's go check the dryer and see if it's dry. Summer.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Y'all, me and Sean, we had a Nerf gun fight last night. We was like going through the house, running through the house. I felt like I was on their SWAT team. Your girls in here rolling, turning flips. I had my gun. I was like, shh, shh. Y'all, I was knocking them out. It was so fun. But we're doing a video for you guys, playing a whole bunch of different games, and like, you guys can use these games for, I know Valentine's Day is coming up. A lot of us are going to probably be stuck in the house, so like some fun games that you and your boo can do. And of course, if you have kids, these are kind of like family games as well, but mainly for like you and your boo. Some just fun stuff to do in the house, fun games. No, they're wet. But I'm about to get the girls a bath. Guys, I'm getting ready to go ahead and end the vlog. I feel like it was something else I wanted to show y'all that I got. Oh yeah, I remember now. I wanted to show you guys this spray that I got. I got this from Ross, and this is fresh laundry scent. Y'all, it smells so good. I actually need to fold the laundry that's in the dryer. I ain't doing that today. I'm going to, y'all, have so many videos I need to edit. Oh, excuse me. I have so many videos I need to edit. Me and Sean, we've been on it. We've been filming a lot of videos. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, the king crab, if y'all never had fried king crab legs, y'all need to try them. They're so good. I was just like so surprised. I had no idea that he was getting the king crab legs, and they were just so good. I've been wanting them for the longest. You can do the snow crabs the same way. But that is it, guys. I will see you in my next vlog video. My next video. Make sure you guys have your bell on so you're notified every time I upload a video. It will come to your phone, the notification. I'll see you guys later.